Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. First of all, I want to say sorry about the dryer, but you know what? Spoilers don't quit, so anyway, sorry about that. So I think we have a sneak peek at a future product, and it's a really funny way of how Isabel on Instagram got it. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was me reviewing the Irresistible Me hair extensions. Well, thank you so much, Allie Bo. Allie says they look really nice on you. Well, thank you so much, Allie. You know, extensions or not, I think everybody is beautiful. But, you know, my hair breaks off all the time, so that's why I kind of wear them. I mean, I don't wear them like every day around the house if I'm filming or if I'm going somewhere special, which is not ever, is when I really wear them. But Allie, I really appreciate you watching the video. And honey, having your bell on, thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. And you never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned until the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, I found this on Instagram at Boxy Preview. Now this is my girl Isabel, and somebody sent her a DM of a screenshot, and it was a picture of this Pharmacy Beauty product, and Joe of course commented under this picture of it saying interesting, and you know how he likes to hide these little sneak peeks and slip them in everywhere, and you know he knows somebody's gonna find them somewhere. Anyways, my girl Isabel found it, and this is the Pharmacy Beauty Daily Greens Oil Free Gel Moisturizer with moringa and papaya. So again, let me know your thoughts down below, and y'all could be seeing this in a future box. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop, and as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Margaret Romans. Margaret says, I have always wanted to try extensions. They look great on you. Well, Margaret, honey, thank you so much. I really do love them. I love hair extensions. It's because my hair is always breaking off, because I treat it awful. Like, I bleach it all the time, trying to get my roots and everything, when I really just need to go dark and just leave it alone. And, honey, I bet you're beautiful just the way you are. And I really appreciate you watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.